How to fix blue screen of death, BSOD, error in Windows 11. To fix blue screen of death, BSOD, error in Windows 11, try, 1. Google the exact error code you met, such as 0xC0000000F, IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore or underscore equal. 2. Remove any recently installed hardware. 3. Remove any recently installed software and device drivers. Plan B, run your system in Windows Clean Boot. 4. For advanced users, check Windows 11 memory dump at %system root %\memory. DMP or %system root %mini dump using the WinDBG app. 5. Update, repair, reset, reinstall your Windows.